Hello, I am a Iron Wizard. I study in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I am young, I am small, I am weak. Meet my pet Iron Dog and Fairy. It, it's, it is my magic guardian. It is strong.
Hello, I am Wizard Rosa. It's study in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am pretty. I am fun. I am cute. Meet me pet dog Picta. It is me, my magic garden. It is brown.
Hello, I'm Wizard Arms. I study in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I'm big. I'm red. I've got green head. Meet my pet Marcus. It is my magic garden. It is brown.
Hello, I am a Wizard Mackenzie. I study in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am pretty. I am good. I am nice. Meet me pet cat Granny. It is my magic garden. It is nice and pretty. Hello, I'm Wizard Purple Star. I study in a Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I'm fun. I'm happy. I'm young. Meet my magic star. It's my magic garden. It's red.
Hello, I am a wizard. Kasparus, look at me. I am shorts. I am wearing blue clothes. My pet Asterix like.
Hello, I am Wizard Pavlos. I study in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I'm smart. I'm happy. I'm good. Meet my pet dog Petis. It is my magic guardian. It is happy.
Hello, I am Wizard Rosa. I study in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I'm thin. I'm pretty. I'm colorful. Meet me pet Fola. It is my magic guardian. It is brown and great.
Hello, I am a Wizard Britannia Charlotte. I am studying in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I am crazy. I am good. I am pretty. Meet my pet Burbuolis Tėja Gudružaliukas. They are my magic gardens. They are pretty good and soft.
Hello, I am Wizard Metanos. I study in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am angry, I am strong, I am scary. Meet me pet Iltis. It's my magic garden.
Hello, I am Wizinglar. I study in Happy Wordine class. Look at me. I am pretty. I am thin. I am tall. Meet my pet Skate. It is my magic garden. It is nice.
Hello, I am a Wizard Pink Lady. I study in the Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am pretty. I am fit. I am amazing. Meet my pet Tiger Boxes. It is my magic guardian. It's it is and funny.
Hello, I am a wizard. I study in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I am happy. I am flexible. I am nice. Meet me. My pet Peters is brown.
Hello, I'm a Virgil Iltia. I'm studying in a Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I'm scary. I'm fast. I'm evil. Meet my pet snake, Killer. It it's my magic garden. It's evil.
Hello, I am Wizard Nicole. I am studying in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am thin. I am beautiful. I am young. young. Meet me, pet Candy. It is me, my garden. It's dog. Hello, I'm Wizard Magelis. Is study in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am smart. I am thin. Meet me, pet dog Lucas. It's me, magic guardian. It's smart, good.
Hello, I am a wizard Aurelia. I study in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I am pretty. I am thin. I am young. Meet my pet Luta. It's me magic garden. It is brave and strong.
Hello, I am Wizard Ugnit. I study in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I am scary. I am angry. I am strong. Meet me, Pet Cornelius. It is my magic gardens. It's brown.
Hello, I am Wizard Tiger Blue. I study in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am pretty. I am buzz. I am funny. Meet my pet tiger. It is my magic garden. It is smart.
Hello, I am Wizard Parker. I am studying in Happy Wizard class. Look at me. I am strong. I am tall. Meet me, my pet lemur. It is me, Maggots. Garden. It's happy.
Hello, I'm a wizard Domantas Witch Wings. I study in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I'm young, I'm thin, I'm Witch Wings. Meet me, Pet Speed. It is my magic gardens. This is black.
I am a wizard's Lucius. I am study in Happy Wizards class. Look at me. I am smart. I am young. I am fun. Meet my pet Lokis. It is my magic's guardian. It is smart, strong.
Hello, I am Wizard Booze. It's study. I'm a happy wizard. Class, look at me. I am Finn. I am orange. I'm Raoul with my pet Pegasus. It 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 is my magic garden maggots.
Hello, I am Wizard Fun. I study in a happy wizard class. Look at me. I am fast, I am secret, I am happy. Meet my pet dragon, it's my magic guardian, it's called.